Hi everyone, it's Gail. I'm here with a quick little bonus video. I just wanted to do a quick flip through of this new journal, and it is going to be listed on my Etsy shortly after I get this video to upload. So this is the one with the canvas cover that has the wonderful fall napkin bits on it and is all rough and wonderful. I love these canvas covers. So let me get in frame here for you. Okay, so on the inside of this cover, I did a double pocket fabric, double pocket. In the first pocket here, we have one of these little scraps sort of tablets, and then you take off the paper clip and you can use the scraps as you want to in the journal. And there's this wonderful tag that is kind of an Edith Holden, and then it's got a real flower on the tag. So love that. So that's there. Let's see. This is the kit from Home Book and Treasure. And so that's the kit that I used. It's not coming to me at this very moment what the name of the kit is, but you'll see it if you go have a shop on Home Book and Treasure. So let me get that back in there. Okay. I love this because there's a lot of little kids in this kit, and so it's super fun. Some shiny orange paper, little fabric flip so you can put your journaling underneath and then have a pretty page to look at. A little sack here with a card or a big tag that I'd made. And so that slides down in there. Some dyed paper with leaf look impressions, I guess you would say. I don't know, my words aren't coming very well today. Some dyed book page, some dyed paper. This fun paper that I got, I think that's my last page of it, sadly. This wonderful pocket came from Maryland's Mercantile on Etsy, and then I just made a tag to tuck at the top of it. And we've got a little paper clip here holding a floating pocket, and then it's got one of the tags from the kit that I embellished a little bit that goes there. This wonderful paper from Rhonda without an H on Etsy. Some more dyed paper. Some handmade paper that has some plants in it. Got a little pocket there. Got a little journal card. A collage page. And some wonderful leafy paper from Triple V Vintage on Etsy. A little ledger piece, some more dyed paper. This, it's killing me to let this page go. I just love it so much, but it's a little tablet with one of these little silhouette die cuts. Love that. Coffee dyed, some more of the kit pages. This middle, and there's a sunflower and an acorn on the ties. Love that page. Lots of room for journaling, definitely. This little journal card that I made, and it's tucked into one of these fun little journal cards and or tucks that I made during the Roxy's Weekly Challenge. A little scrap sewn pocket, and then it's got another little notebook in there. So there's lots of notebooks, lots of fun things to write on. Just some little printed journal cards here that I stuck in this little pocket. And these die-cut leaves came from Maryland's Mercantile on Etsy also. With one of the cards from the kit, I made a little tuck for a journaling card. These leaves came from Triple V Vintage, I do believe. Love that. Library card here, and we've got another little tablet here and the library card tucked into the pocket. And then behind, we've got a journaling card made from strips of paper there. And this little pocket with this beautiful tag. This beautiful tag came from MK Maz Designs on Etsy. I love this. I've just ordered myself some more. A couple more of her tags. Love them. Okay, and then this is the other side of the sack, and I had a piece of collage paper left, so I just kind of centered one of the pieces from the kit, put a little coffee dyed Rolodex card in there, and that flips up and gives some extra journaling space. Here's some orange paper and a slow stitched belly band. There's also the slow stitch on the fabric flip. These pieces are from the kit, and just put those on a little collage journal card for in there. And this side too has the big index card that goes in that pocket. This side, this is from Tuke's Craft Table, and has a couple of fun little ephemera pieces in this little notebook that is in this fun envelope. So included that in the back. And then yet another piece that was hard for me to part with, but I'm doing it. And I'll show you that as soon as I get this tied up. Okay, so that goes in the front pocket, and then the back pocket, this was a piece that was made during one of Roxy's weekly challenges too. So vellum over this little pocket, and I have this little picture of this boy, and so it says beautiful moments. And I love that piece. I don't know, it just speaks to me. So that's the journal. So that will be appearing on my Etsy once this video uploads. And yeah, so maybe hopefully if you're interested in this journal, you will see this little flip through and be able to hop over. So there you go. Thanks so much everyone for watching, and I hope you have a grateful day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.